Good evening to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial again, entitled Expressions versus Equations. So this is differentiating expression and equation, understanding the linear equations easily. So this is Mathematics 8, grade quarter 3, week number 1. So welcome back to my channel. By the way, I'm Teacher Ayan. So today we'll learn how to differentiate an expression from an equation and how both are connected to linear equations. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to tell whether something is just an expression or complete equation that you can actually solve. Okay, let's start na po tayo. Let us define first what is an expression. Okay, so based on the definition, an expression is simply a combination of numbers, variables, and operations. But it has no equal sign. So ulitin ko po, ang expression ay simply na kombinasyon ng numero, variables at saka operations. But it has no equal sign. Examples po, we have 3x plus 5. We have 2y minus 7. And 4a plus 3b minus 9. So again, expression simply a combination of numbers, variables, and operations, but it has no equal sign. So expression lang po sila. So example of this is 3x plus 5. Next, ano naman ang equation? So equation is a mathematical statement showing that two expressions are equal. So that means it always has an equal sign and can be solved. So expression kanina, wala siyang equal sign. Ngayon naman sa equation, meron siyang equal sign. So dapat daw ang dalawang expression dapat mag-equal. So we have examples. First, we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. So dapat daw ang ating expression will be equal to this side. Okay? So mamaya, gagawin natin. Another is we have 2y minus 7 is equal to 9. So here, we can actually find the value of the variable that makes both sides equal. So that's why that's what we makes it an equation. So isosolve natin para makuha natin yung kanyang equation. Next example, we have this one. 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 2. Bakit naging x? Bakit ang value ng ating x is equal to 2? So ganito po yan. First is you need to. Okay. So you need to subtract both side by 5. So alisin natin dito yung 5. So kung number ang i-minus mo dito, ganon din sa kabila. So therefore, if the given is 3x plus 5, so mag-minus ka ng 5, dito sa kabila, mag-minus ka rin ng 5. So, para ma-eliminate natin yung 5, ang naiwan is 3x na lang. And 11 minus 5, ang naiwan is 6 na lang. Okay. Next, anong gagawin natin dito? Ang gagawin natin, so i-divide pa rin na naman natin ito ng 3, both side. Kasi ang kailangan natin, the value of x. Since 3x ito, i-divide natin siya ng 3. Okay, so 3. divide natin ito ng 3. Sa kabila din, mag-divide tayo ng 3. So, 3 divided by 3, ang naiwan is x. Kasi makancel na yan. Maging 1 na. And then, 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. So, that's why 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, that is our equation. Okay, so a linear equation is an equation where the highest exponent of the variable is 1. When graphed, it forms a straight line. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So, our equation, the highest variable is only 1. Kasi kung 2 po siya, magiging quadratic po yung ating graph. So, hindi po siya straight line. And our graph, it forms a straight line kasi ang ating equation is only the highest exponent is 1. Example po, ito. We have y is equal to 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 2, 8. So that is example of linear equation. Example, if you're going to graph the y is equal to 2x plus 3, ito po ang kanyang itsura. So, straight line. And even 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. Ganon din po ang itsura. So, when we take an expression like this one, 3x plus 2. So, and i-set natin to equal, it becomes a linear equation. So, I hope may naintindihan sa ating tutorial this day, and thank you for listening. So now you know how to differentiate an expression from an equation and how they relate to linear equations. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mathematics tutorial, and comment below if you want to follow about solving linear equations. Sa muli, kay daghang salamat.